Hey guys, David C. Anderson here. Welcome to Knife Center, and today we're here to take a look at what's on Nick's desk. First up, we've got a couple of new tactical hawks from RMJ. All three of these are an 80 CRV2. We've got the loggerhead, which has a hammerhead on the back as opposed to a spike. Green handles, nice point on the end there for extra tactical uses. We've also got the Shrike, also an 80 CRV2. Everything else you see is the same as the loggerhead right before it. And we've also got the Kestrel Feather, and this version with black and orange G10 is exclusive to the Knife Center, so you can only find it here. And all three of these knives come with a Kydex sheath as well. Next up, we've got the Raider Dagger, double-edged, and this is in CPM 3V steel. And again, with the black and orange G10, you're only gonna find this version of it here at the Knife Center. Just a really fierce blade. Next up, we've got a new brand of the Knife Center, and this is one that's near and dear to my heart because I actually designed these knives, and this is Nordsmith knives. All of these Nordsmith blades come in AEBL stainless steel. First up, we have the Canteen knife, which was recently featured on the cover of Knives Illustrated magazine, sort of a hybrid camp/cooking knife. This is the Lapwing, which is a great companion to the Canteen knife, but also makes a great standalone day hiker, bird and trout, or paring knife. Also AEBL steel with a convex grind. Lastly, we have the Pilgrim. Again, AEBL steel, slightly thicker than the others, 5/32 of an inch thick. And this is the right size survival knife. It's long enough where, it's short enough, I should say, you can take it just about anywhere. It's nice and compact, but still has everything you need in a good outdoor blade. Nice versatile blade shape, drop point, you can take it hunting, you can take it bushcrafting, all of that sort of thing. And in a nod to the survival uses, it's even got a little apex here at the pommel that you can use to concentrate force when you're striking on things. Next up, we've got some more stuff on the more tactical end of the spectrum. First up, we've got a new CQC7 fixed blade from Emerson, and it's a Tanto profile, as you can see, ground on both sides with a partially serrated edge. Nice and slim, so it carries nice and compact. It comes with a Kydex sheath as well. We've also got some new Microtechs, the Troodon and the DE model. And we've got the Troodon with the full serrated back edge, as well as partial serrated on both sides. Of course, they all have that great Microtech action. And then here's the DE. It's always fun to be able to do something like this. We know you guys are gonna love that too. Last thing up here, we have an item that people have been waiting for a while. It's the new Tie Light from Cold Steel. And this one is in CPM S35 VN. So I know people have really been looking forward to that. A little bit over the top, as is Cold Steel style, but what's not to love? It's kind of your two-handed folding dagger. All right, so that's what's new from Nick's desk today. You'll be able to find all of these over at KnifeCenter.com. Check back often. We'll be back at Nick's desk soon.